my hodo bobo. Hey, Bangladesh. And so no, let's fear. Interestingly, I'm a Nepal. I'm a Sen economy and son. I'm a Bangladesh. At Mubako 74 minutes. And I know so no. Yet me born an interesting game near Vietnam. And move for pa. What will pay mono? Tia Mudona idina Vietnam the free and Thailand. And move for no. What's a convention? So Thailand Vietnam on the free. Vietnam for at match India. I said I come you know Indian 20. Hey, Barbara, Vietnam 2, India 0. 60 minutes. And then also game Indonesia. Hey, and then the matches Indonesia. And so 18 minutes. Wasaba kwa omani dim adu Curacao. And so no into me and say also island honum omusia kan papa Ghana for the join Zana Brazilians of Africa na den. Indonesia sabako Curacao so no into me and say yewura Equatorial Guinea and so 2 p.m. any Togo ebe Togo mine tie unu sa Branta the day ade ya no Branta let me call up into the Togolese national team tie nyina hwe nim say na awia 2 p.m. no Branta the day ade ya no and so betu agira masi kan ire ma Togo abro me Equatorial Guinea and so na bo Iran and so no 2:30 and Senegal bebo enya mo say Iran be Senegal we no tie mo be ko fikasi mu no mo kwa mo hwe ni ye mane nyɛ sɛ ana Sadio Mane ana Senegal kwa play Iran for no money ball no po Iran and Senegal be po 2:30 p.m. Ghana time South Sudan DR Congo and Sierra Leone be po Oman din and so no United Arab Emirates 3 p.m. and Venezuela be Panama and Bahrain and so no po and Canada and Uruguay be Madagascar and Benin ni nyina baso 4 p.m. Ghana time South Africa and Botswana ebe Burkina Faso and Ghana and now for Comoros and so ebe po and 5 p.m. Ghana time Libya and Tanzania ebe Qatar and so 5 p.m. and Chile and so ebe po Egypt and Liberia Ivory Coast ni Guinea Nicaragua and so and Ghana ebe po we a big game wow ni mzenye big game no sa game we a big game papa Nicaragua and I feel so Ghana ebe po USA and so Saudi Arabia Brazil and Tunisia Brazil no African countries no and Algeria and Nigeria so Nigeria ni mguasefo Nigeria fu ye ni mguasefo papa Algeria I beat him na the Nigeria no the senior side na ebe papa Mauritania Congo bepo Paraguay Morocco and so no ebe po we no matches are and then international friendly notable one to know yes so no yet to me Eddie Abba Barene Nicaragua against the Black Stars of Ghana Castro, Bibi Kakra, Ekachre. Let me see your catch. Into your hand.
Okoman Radio.
Ghana na tesu. Kaya shebo. Nansu wedi emodene. Okomoti ayesa ya mbopo. Yani mbeme. Ghana Blaster.
It's Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Ghana Blasters, Nana Nyamine Crying. Yeah, Bashamona, Chumo time cost rubber for my Ghana Blasters. Yeah, dear, Nuna. Hey, but I in Kumafo, I need a day are you. But that's someone worries for Castle. I demand bedroom in a jump boy. I think Vasasu Lementary. Michael Estian Prince Batty, baby get go. Hey, wanna Ghana Blasters, Nana Nyamine crying. Yeah, Bashamona, Chumo time cost rubber for my Ghana Blasters. Yeah, dear, Nuna. Yeah, the Bible, the time of you. I want to see up here. Look, I want to get you. As well, could not do it. Ghana might have with you. I'm a Musuro. Ghana Mandamo.
so I had though. In your wake up and I did the Albubida. See you when you know the most wobble. It's in the Jimmy in the South or what Uncle Boo in the day, didn't call pan a wobble, blast us, check on one eh. So what the baller with the move front tower, pass our man, share. Strong defenders, I was so pressure or the ball let the liver brand share. But I without that chin, we freeze the time on us, man. Tell when one a baby.
It's Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Yeah, but someone else wrote you more time cost rubber for my Ghana blasters. Yeah, the end in the Jerry, I come and go. Jordan, are you go?
All right, and I know some na fire. They can call the supported the Black Stars of Ghana. No, Anna area pa. Your baby didn't come out. Your baby didn't come out. I will feel Udum said. No, that the UEFA Nations League matches kakra. Echo so part breaking news. No. I mean still in Simon Farmer. Heart of folk. Atima Pamo coach Samuel Boedu. Heart of folk. Coach Samuel Boedu. If you are on sort of Ejano Quine and any news sir. But Togba Fede ball chair and sort of I confirm when I shall say be more. Samuel Boedu and I to me Edding come up. But Reginald's Hotel at okay. That's a bankanwa. Okay. And I did 27th. Now one fan come okay. I don't know. Everybody doing come because still Kingdom Home Real Estate. And we feel afraid disturbing the patch of Chrome, papa, and a Debian and Tenny, we are me too. Nina of our fresh. Imamina, I Kingdom Home Real Estate today. I na Fabra. If you're afraid disturbing the papa, oh, Chroma, Debian Tenny, or Sarano Pa, and me and I'm kind you, Maltum, Guaramatum, Toilet Maltum, yeah, they are guys, Sahana, Oil Chroma, but Ning Kingdom Home Real Estate, mean Canchero, Upe, Ufi. Upa apartment, upa danga ceremony abusuya na asumbiaba. Niya Kingdom Home Real Estate. Our cropona kwapem. Ochirima $118,000. Ubenya apartment. 2 bedrooms apartment. Shed and afinson self compound. Minimum of 4 years lease. Na afinson yatumi ere amao. Sansona yewo 3 bedrooms apartment self compound. 4 bedroom apartment self compound. 6 bedroom apartment self compound. And afinson 4 and 6 bedroom apartment. And also ewo kitchenette. Laundry and a steady. Yes, kitchenette and I don't know. In your kitchen or kakra baby girl on a bar. By chichu nyama kakra. And the amount now also one sign kakra. Musansana laundry. Steady zoom. The yaw be seeing the kakra and so now. And get a community. Sansona and a fence no etuia. CCTV camera. Security and 24 hours no security. AC. Dining standby generator. Send a bear ECG for car one. There's a Bibia edited visitors toilet and so on. Jenya Sabi or Waba na fino baby use washroom ubu on penesa into Ninano L Kingdom Home Real Estate apartment in the moon. Serene environment and so a tweet and I feel conducive equipment weather. Equipment de ye nishu crano, ye nishu crana young weather and ye the flex small London and a year. Ninya Kingdom Home Real Estate. Bra, na fin so mansanka aye apartment. A coupon sales officer no over fra 0594 893 848 0594 893 848 and 0555 612 611 0555 612 611 and here coupon sales office and cancel no sales office no one cano sales office over fra 0240 521 276 0240 521 276. I know a Kingdom Home Real Estate. Na fre, na fin so man sanka oda na sumdwe en so no emra fie. Yo kropona kwapem Adom Junction. Opa anyway. Ofra en so no ebeje oso na bibibia en so no aye kama. Reginald's Hotel en so no ekra yemu na se Reginald's Hotel en so no ekra yemu a yade ensem nyina eba na menze ukọ baabi a baabi adu tubeto no na jene oba kwapem na pa baabi ada hotel papa ada na wanya wasumdwe ya ninya na Reginald's Hotel. Rooms no your executive rooms, your twin rooms, deluxe rooms, standard rooms, economy rooms. I don't know, we will be another class. Abrabone will be a class. To mean, oh, man paying for that baby, man paying better than mean to maintain that. It's also I don't know. Yo, swimming pool sounds like conference room. It's a name. Sorry. Jumeku ankre open baby. I conference. I meeting Martina classroom match. Martina sorry the match. Mupun kwabontin. Regency Hotel conference room. Namonko conference restaurant. Hall and so no. Your local and continental foods. It will be there. Ninja na Regency Hotel. Yo, I do chroma kwapem. And can okay district assembly no. No. Any different. 0503 33 7788 0503 33 7788 and 0244 33 3373 0244 33 3373. Regency Hotel is home with nature. Krayemu and a nearby D in Como Ewaha. Papa Fresh Atenase Sansona John Peter Nyakon no Abrofone Nyakon JP and so JP and so now mama no akwaba JP mama akwaba
oh me je usuminya na
this
say you Okoman Global Sports in the USA net so
yes
me be me ni Chelsea fu bi hia and was we say o Barcelona day but say na Okoman Global Sports no obo facts ni gum obo prediction ni gum na obo niam ni gum we too much what just obi oton ade bia o pese wo top ade say na yeke kwachi no je wo do be fa yeke so
Power Fresh bibia kama
nyame adom me ho ye
you ache ishi ache
it's true
so bibia do dem
nyame adom
so there one person make us so you know
obi ahun ye
na but we say o human you ni dey
man you are
oh that be anye yes I
e mo bo 4 matches unbeaten na
yes in down na
oh still na no I say near man ye yes I say patapan bi near den na mgaka na
Papa Fresh
we can be ya ne growth we
can more
asemo and ye nuanu ma ne omote Manchester one
City
Manchester
derby so we say always
but
City on paper no be
but I say magic
and San Antonio
magic ni
but no Harry Maguire
Anthony no
Harry Maguire
Maguire some ne there e was England for
so
no say you won we are say wo kan wa asem bibiri na so mo wonka na we kan say bibiri a niam be sina oto ade adi say what I say not too long ago one of name for around Harry Maguire obeke kan say be around David De Gea and Timine ne nkasa blah 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 and no your superstar anche
I don't know your superstar
yeah anche
but no cry wo mu say I was say England for no mu say baby edu no yes, you know how Maguire not and San Journey United. The first season, that is 2019, near Makoyi. But baby, you do need the Southgate. Money and I say United, the bench Maguire and Maguire, player beer. Obey me, I had the Abuano walk up. Guy, the baby, you do need the was say, man who say performance na day above him. Simple. Until now, he done here feeling and we been in England for now about Musuya. I'm a boy without a win, Nations League. No. So I think, sir, I also say, baby, you do need it. Fine, player performance, it me buffer.
Okay.
But Maguire, then after I saw Cool or back a holiday, be no acquired by, and no, I don't know. Until I was a guy now, almost say near my buffer. Now, I'm a replacement because England cut tournaments now, it be on my left back, air look short. Dear, I think it's a very big problem.
Okay, your baby didn't come over and you remember Black Stars. You sure Black Stars. When him say Friday, Black Stars and Brazil boy. You results and the performance by coach who thought after the game. Ekasai, Chirima, or your mistake in player selection going into the first half. No selections. Oh yeah, no, he was wrong. When you second half, Mickey number of substitutions. Minaki Williams more and Salisu more. In the second half game players to me there boy. And then 6 p.m. against Nicaragua. A big game, to me, a big game because Yabo Baku, Yalusu, Yabo second game. Then Puna Ghana for a fast game way, and I say, Okoman will be whom the Black Stars are. You ever see a World Cup on Ninano and Komaya Babidi. Hearts of folk issues and so but Yandela with the Black Stars, if we are in Miriam, a heart of folk. John Peter, I'm just in very few from Friday against Brazil, but Pimane. Against Nicaragua, young Remuna, Indian Como.
Na, give me that say, Michia, wet here for you so. Now, me debia make us say the Ghana Black Star national team, you know, and as the African continent, spiritual people. Into no young bono physical and spiritual. Debia omang ne home di team net, you know. Team ni be nyankomade. No doubt about it. Say Ghana Black Star ko tournament biana omang ni sunsum ndi wonga enkoyi. So this very World Cup ayekoi. Me first mark I make and say omang ni sunsum ni jina team neti. Omang ni show concern. They are following the team, one team ni performance. If it's also who say from the team ni side, you know, when I already say obe sacrifice BB. So and only a better starter for Ghana as a country, any team ninya. Number 2, Otoado. Me coach, you know, me share yen match, yen first match, yen 2 matches against Nigeria. And me take any out. No, the guy know you're good. You know, say Oshe yen first match now. Ose oye mistake in the first half selection. But me share from a corporate point of view. Say Obia oye manager. Na owo players bia wonga bobo rama they were qualified to a tournament. Na owo tournament into unim say ohwehwe at least a higher quality players than wonga woboa now they qualify no. Em say ofre won nyina ba fair in normal say na obia akoma ton yem say at least wonga wo do one boy no the one first 15-30 minutes first half be because how much just a trial match and yet the main tournament so we can afford say ye be man krofu bia be bo na ye nga hwese na won ahom kekate inti no ne ma won bo at least o ma won boy no wo share yen 3-0 ye nyina players na wo park ne so obi a wo yi ni film obi a wo be senga yi na film bi no ate ase say you played and they scored us 3. It is a way you film no di obi bejirema you know ne kwanganen Afine Jang ne se o manebo. If you compare Afine Jang and Inaki Williams on any day any coach will choose Inaki Williams. But then for the fact say obetu mi wo team nimu and a match no and sheda nye a serious match a practice match mo bia mbo me mo bia moral ma form esanze bia you want to by force get a team. Yen next match with Nicaragua, yen other match with Switzerland. Ebe do something yen team no, you know, assorted already. That is that. Nefe, let's come to the players. Okay, me so excited with the current Black Star team. Me so much excited. Wow. Ghana, Yeriko World Cup for another time aside 2010 World Cup. No, maybe some was Wow. If you look at the players. The formation of Otoado boy on the day exceptional. Ni main formation yenim so boy for 3-back. No abone wing backs no. And yenim so obo. Inti no bra o start na 4-4-2 no. Ghana fu bebre bufu yi. Na then na coach Uchire. But then he was proving right. Bra ball second half. Na ordinary players ni be ball ni 3-back no. Imagine say that match na nka party were around. Anka yen passes was smooth. Obetwa in the first half, yen midfield was bad. The midfield with Idris, Baba Idrisu and Dede Ayu was and then Koshe. Yen born no yen man cross first half yen man cross center. No, yen I think yen one shot on target. Or no shot on target. Yeah.
No shot on target.
Because now Bobby and yes, because now want to be pushing it na e man could do scratch and bechi.
Yeah.
You know, so fantastic game. Baba Idrisu, Andre Ayu, at least watch one near my ye. At least
no be kasi. Abrante Daniel Kofiche. Yenya enim ne performance. Ye ko AFCON. He was no Ghana best player.
Yeah.
In the AFCON. As a if you AFCON buy no. Yen said Nijidi will be starting in the game, but Abrante no so ni bobo. O she second half call by no. But boy like 15 minutes to be boy na. I go to me start with Black Stars.
No, so tell me no, obi oye professional no wa ko school adim. Akwa ko suade or you different from me no.
Yeah.
How they see the game is different. And me enunti na me trust you to ado. Hwe say anko to ado onye coach papa anka Dortmund fo be na ba. Obega say when ya Ghana Black Star dey akọ. Na yen hwehwe obi no hwe yen engineer team ni mayen. Consistently, Dortmund atom players all the time. What is Ayas? They groom players, they prepare players to sell. Into Otoado what that eye to see quality. and only well established already. Inti Oshe Daniel Kofi ono no ne baby obono midfielder. Maybe was either attacking midfield no. A hono so no in a way a choku Osha obe ne competition is with Kudus.
But as a coach, now such a good player. Who formation? I bet my various tactics and as a formation. No, to my fixing a branch of friend Daniel Kofi. Imagine so about 3 back. Who the central defenders and Salisu. Amate Jiku, obviously one ebebo. Then the wing backs, Torre Glamte, and be a Gideon Mentor, Baba Man.
Yeah.
Now, you play Baba Idrisu as a DM. Then you can use even Kofi Chen on the left side.
Capito, Arsenal superstar.
Pate. But even if Pate, fine, you can even play Pate. Baba then Pate as 2 players, central midfielders, 2. Then for Kudus, Etu Inakiechi. What I say? Inaki will be the main striker.
Left and right.
You can put Daniel Kofi on the right. Then probably Kamal Dean on the left.
Now, but
Jordan, so no, between Jordan and Kofi, one must start.
And nothing on all the Kofi in the second half.
But
the coach is good.
I'm not doubting the tactics of. I'm not doubting the tactics of Coach Otaro. A fantastic coach.
Yes,
but I feel say Abrofono born now bono. You bet to my booby sir.
Of course.
Mentality now you players no cry. And Uche Kofi I do know cry playing the German Bundesliga.
Then you didn't cry and me effect.
Yes, it's what to my fix even the Jordan and Kofi no cry in the same game.
Oh, but was a team near 11. And Senya Okano, he's a quality player.
Yeah.
Near me, they say, Yeriko World Cup. Never knew ye first leave if you are. Yet miss him because he has some quality player or bench.
Because Osman Bukari our bench.
We are going to play a first 90, which is about 270 minutes. So 270 minutes. And yes, 11 players in the Beboni. Yeah. We will vary the players. And after first match, normally after first match, some team they build you. So where I saw born home me the players, the quality, the type of players I always see and yet likely, the coach is good, the coach can decide. But me who say likely say Andre Morgan Dede are you, Kofi Chere, they are going to be substitute players. Me bompa say coach Ninya Akukudru no yi Dede internase. Dede disturb Kudus. Dede ma Kudus in function.
The free road no bono.
Ono no person Dede person ono no ba be di pele. But then yen be di pele ne Kudus. Emra sesa. So I say make I be a Dede ba the Black Star team ne foforo na ese yi Sule Muntari tenase na ma Dede bo. And yet the first time. Ye the Samuel Jan akọ tournament a ye ma na tena bench na ye di obi abo. Ye the Stephen Appiah call World Cup 2010. Ye the ne tena echi na ye ma Dede boy. And yet the first time yere ma yen captain atena echi because olake form. Near ma obi a oye better. Kudus no one me say o show too much respect. And they be as a one in Rusem into Osuru and Oslake Bechi. Yeah. What they share in Brazil match, no bet in no boss say midfield that is a Dede. On no hard tackles, on no buga, on no tackle be wechi.
Where does the Rusem comes in?
No, say and they say me say Mekati say Africa for no. Yeah, spiritual people. No, don't take it away from me o Christo no po. You understand? Right? We are spiritual people. Yeah. So people believe in things.
Okay.
And nothing count them what me but one board. I mean, and then I'm Babette and I am was a no. Whatever a human being believes in, it works out. Yeah, sure. Because we are saying Yankubomba yen nipa and Obama is saying we should take dominion. So that's just by the by. So but Emma Kudus into me function. Ye per se Kudus ko enim ho. Atayas up first 9. Yeah. So even the engine just behind the striker. That's what we like. Yeah. To maneuver, to go around on your BB up and on your creative, don't bring in goals. But then the day man so always the day rather scheming on your passing in them wants to prove a point. Inti me bumper as a coach in Intimina the Vim on fan internase. At least even tonight's match. On for the internase. I doubt how you be able say party in way they be manabo, but Oma de internase. na oma kudus no more because we have a fantastic team. Ghana Black Star team that is oje our ball so. So one be jiremu a wouldn't who say na show fa.
Because even after the game, Richarlison of Brazil, Kazaze, Ghana, your strong team.
The second half, no, yeah, put you a surprise.
Yeah.
Bianca second half, no, I have my bear 4 and 3 account. But then on the second half, we were attacking. And fantastic Inaki Williams.
Yes, Inaki, Salisu, for whom Remu and game anymore. What are you expecting from
me, sir? Salisu, we're grooming home. Oh yeah, too composed. Serious, like me sure match, you know. No one pray no.
Yeah, because
even it was his first time.
Difference
I tell you,
on the other players.
Yeah, it was his first time. But no one pray no. On me boom boom on your ball not turn bossy. Even when he makes a mistake, on pray no to go and recover. And that's the kind of players you want to defend. You know, on any day. Oshe obi to say Tariq Lamptey. On the day no when Yanni day too much, but probably one band inside in them. But Odo ya you know, but Odo so
I think the age you know, 33 years.
Age and the kind of formation we want to play, the kind of that 3 back, that 2 wing backs now, you need speed.
Yeah.
You need somebody who will go and who will come. Unyobia obey pull out. Unyobia obey Timasovia no ball shot. You know, and Tariq Lamptey also only one shot.
Yeah.
You know, though it wasn't on target, but it was a good try. And these are the kind of players Inaki Williams exceptional. Me striker who will pick the ball and go to you, the defender with the ball, come to you with the ball, press you with the ball, or be me a shot. So anytime as a striker and be ball, no defender no popo, because you know whenever he gets the ball, Diagori, he's coming to you. And that vim I think for a long time, you striker bia even with Baby Jet no need that kind of Baby Jet not on time kita ball to run to the defenders. You know, Baby Jet will place or be placing the whole one man pass. Then he gives you a nice goal. But then Inaki takes the ball, run to the pole and gives a shot. So me this year I'm thinking young Black Star team na ekono. Omang sunsum ni tawon echi. Players no so I want to say wobeye bibia mo one man. So I'm looking forward to an exciting World Cup, you know, from the Black Star team. First, you know, before I was here group, you know, me hon make papa. You know, if you look at the performance of Uruguay, of Portugal, and especially South Korea, na me hon me, you know, but after coaching ne selection, ne better one FA, me share yen second half with almighty Brazil. You know, and you have team Fumbiao. You know, say what share and that 3-0 first half, you know. And your team be an one boy and go with my chance out. You know, notwithstanding the formation now, but you know, as bad as we think that formation was, you know, it was Brazil. Yeah. And these one players now, what the boy, you know, they are not small players, exceptional players. In the second half now, you have to me hold you on to even press more than they did, you know. Then it means we can do something. And you know, in time rantinechi. No could be man.
All right, I know JP John Peter and our ten Remo our Black Stars match against Nicaragua and so but Black Stars were another friendly. I think somewhere in October. I think November and their last friendly and sana Carter against Switzerland. It's in a preparation games are. Ebo na yenso yewuremu I mean kind messages we ba na me run papa fresh so Prof Daniel Ahim Fortune say we are crowds of folk fans are demanding 5/5 wins in our next EPL fixtures. Anyone taking in charge should be ready for this. Our own boy is gone due to poor performance. We will not entertain any stories from the incoming head coach. 1, I don't know the team. 2, I was not part of the new signings. 3, I am building a new team. 4, the players are yet to adapt my philosophy. 5, I am yet to adapt the GPL. All these excuses will be you see I know too. Yeah. You know, to our hearing, we need constant results from our next fixtures. This is my mind. You can argue with your keyboard peacefully. And there, Prof, there was watching live from Kumasi. Keep up the good work. Nana Kofi Frias watching the show live from Amponekwa. Keep up the good work. Wishing Coach Samuel Boadu the very best in the future. He gave us his best hoping to see a better replacement for Bueru. Misu, #AK, more fire. And also, Nadia, but to me, Eddie Abba, Manuel Faye. And so, I didn't message about Chairman, more fire. And so, and Farmer Power Fresh. Black Stars. Now, MHS, someone
I think, sir, I will say coach in here very careful. Because now I go through my Brazil lineup. Between us, I coach in the senior JP kind. No, person, ma'am, yeah. And I say, the strategy be it me involved with the day in a brand in our game. But I think it's a very I'm wired during that first half.
But yeah, I mean, first, don't do things that Ghana, we are not being fair to Jordan and you.
No.
To me, that's how at times I feel.
Okay.
Because remember, Jordan, in any game, apart from say on say goals, or deliver raw a coach the man no. Oh yeah, perfectly.
And yet Jordan my mentor.
So who can strategy involved Dede and Jordan? That's why.
But me when is a senior what can Jordan dey? Me say Jordan. Say when you be beer and fin wokra. Say attackers now e team no fall back abebo defense and I say abebo agebo no. Attacker beer ni team no to me yes adwuma. Enti wo hwe ye ne Brazil Jordan adwuma ye and do ye hu say e bia Jordan ebo me ahyegu ana say ya move forward bebre no otumi follow ebe ya adwuma. But I will say coach no very bold. Sena JP kan because o hwe current team na ye nya na say team na ye build na e come here say ye nya team a ye build from 2006 ye de buy ye nim kakra e do ba bi na nke ye age cup of nations ni bi no e ko boy homodin wo world cup na say that squad ni ye nya because these players are oko amanone a day in day out omobo yes un say yes guys no ejina omanamon so e bobo no so you could see say these players no yenya bibi kakra de come ho a Ghana ebetimi akwa enum ti e wo say coach no te say ne ono agi to mu say the first game no and as the first half no oh yeah very big mistake because say ono hu say second half near ma akoyie kakra na I think say also oh yeah very bold edema eye adwuma no yen because ono yen share that man contract say bia o take Ghana be 2 or 3 years but ne dey na say December na aba na wienti opeso to adwuma no so a and ye nyina ye hu niam kakra waye because fine ye ni Nigeria ye win game ne there but wo hwe kwan Ghana efa so a ye nya at least a draw e dey qualify for World Cup na I think say ne nsa no adwuma ebo oyade so I think say eni say o ma player bi ema ekwan ono person ono edin o person ogema Ghana no and I say edin o person throw we football mu no eni say o ma player bi ema saa de ne ye den you can say any says player bi emma saade no ye den efininsa because blaster adwuma no se wo be som ba ko na se eke want me anhwe ne ma yenim CK akono nom ne kwasi apia no nyina after say ye yi omadi no otete nsama na omkeka because omu take some decisions na nka data omu fo say eyade e bebo but at the end of the day no ntimi amo omo aden ye yi omu firo nti ono oni contract December the contract eba na wie ye man 2 years and as 3 years no I think say also take very bold na decisions no take o can be about Daniel Kofi Chedi me so me hu ni the same say as a guy no ba ko mienu bi pe no eke as a game no on shedan kan ye ho bi sa na de na akwa but I think say a young squad but they talking about it 3 back na ye pese yeah na I think say formation e betimi aboa Ghana especially yenya obi ti say Tariq Lamptey this young chap from Brighton Oshe modern boy Ghana ebo na Lamptey ebe move forward etimi abeboa defense na I think say I was say yetimi tutu niema here against Nicaragua na nyumre Nicaragua dey dem say and shedan yetim bie kese sa oko North and Central America ho no no so mo bombo and on performance na ho de yade a was so but o compare this team to the country Ghana and as a Black Stars. Yes, true. But I think say a very good game. I will say coach no etimi a pet the style of play or bedding or because friendly matches ni nyina nim say the young see the akọ tournament e ba wo ye nimu no. So say utimi e hye team ni ye na udu tournament na say betimi abo ama eke modern mono etimi akono so me expect say na nwumre no say na kan ebetimi arese players ni bi dadafo ni bi titro ne enim ho no yen rest bi na introduce these new guys because Nicaragua and Shadan ye big force bi o metimi ha Ghana so me expect say ye be bo ye benya ye niema right ene coach ni benya ni bibia right nano me hu na 20 bi order to o say Ghana for ye didi and I say ye kasa by wate but we are just a friendly match ye nyina nim say ye prepare team for air walk up a bit me about so air November so I think say boys na idea talking about new players before say guys we edi omo ho na so mba be dom Ghana na so mba gi atun so mba bo amai ye nyina tete nsem e call so ebinim say bia bo ma ya qualify we ye hia these guys but eno de enshada anya a problem bia say obi abo am ya qualify enti eni say ye kofa foforo be kan ye nyina nim Mohammed Salusi be bia wa boadu okọ eye Saddam te ho a ye nyina nim one teams na ye nyina agi tum say ye ball premiership no mbetimi age no abobo a defend against the likes of Aguero num na asefo nyina before so be retired afi Man City so I think say okay guys no ahuni nyina inaki ye nyina num obe presso te sanya JP e kan no expect say ene no coach ni beto tu niam ye na wa ma these guys no chance kakra na ye huni on betimi because so bench ye na okọ tournament eke more times no niam atimi koyi edma ye kan Brazil ne other countries o show bench a place egu okra no otum say yes I no can be na team ne performance ekwanim so I will say a very good bench but utuado say prepare some ne nkrofo ne de o mark tournament isan say a prohibition ho na untumi nkobo bi ne de mesre no on the nipa no ana say player no say we pra oto memfa ne nko meka work up proper no oto memfa ne nko ayensa untumi nye changes ye hye so ayenya ba ye na unim Ghana e ko tournament ba no anya de a ye ni abotresa o okay yes
na play way Babaraman me share and check in you know
Baba issue no Baba defensively very poor from right to dream Oba Koroko called dream service in or a player my monitor and papa defensively or very poor but Sergi forward
but who say
good
na compare Baba to Gideon Mensah nefe ode Otoado ni new 3 back and the wing back neto
you feel say Gideon to my ball
Baba hunya Baba ni speed or you too slow on the ball or you too slow on the ball into no ema the day no man said and checking no man checking
the issue with Babanga sa Baba me per se me hu ne say Babanga so onye ready say as a ball no onye say obeto aball no so because ma mention enye nienti a enye enunti Baba ko san ma Chelsea Baba enya ball ne but I was say Baba fit Chelsea ase what you say
match playing time but so ball ready in alone
ready na mama alone eke I was say mama cho say na atu de no what you say atu Christian atu ye the same thing
but atu call Newcastle playing time with Newcastle
but no with that true Babaraman one confidence me share Babaraman Alonso how Babaraman can beat my computer any day before Roberto Newcastle and one crop of players here be her players are not Newcastle war she atu ball my Black Star then atu call honum now onya bimbo but penem say okay one confidence will form because compare Kudus Mohammed all right not about 4 weeks ago now we money bimbo
yes
or start take aside
oh yes sir
man opportunity or deliver
if you about any of the other Ghanaian most of the Ghanaian obedi
not because onya salary ninti onwe ho say bia mebo bi kra anasa memo anya hwe but I Kudus then ekasai Emma coach ne man opportunities so be man na first night
and about 6 matches 5 goals
but osha guy no atimi a che say bench na not na o kasa no enye say o kasa kwa first night crown no otimi here this adwuma oyi so I think say Baba no I was say oh yeah
because Chelsea na when you be a money what in a Cologne no asan ba no so no
I was say open baby
Osberg you know Germany
I was say I was so no person build it Germany very fine you can say country and as league amoma opportunity no na ultimate do the highest level but I don't know.
All right Black Stars and then you fam over shadi and say isa medlak about tie one nom na wade ama aso she beba into ne kwesi Christian about clinic se men kanjo say room akoma kwa bi sa wade aba bonten no Black Stars team no here medlak about opinto about and I feel minta about medlak and no migraine uti ebo gaga onya bia bebo Parkinson disease seminal can say ukrade onsa popo saa obu a ontwiro ne din ozi ontwiro skk ne say popo nti ko draw owo pa na to paper so ne nya Parkinson disease unya melak na ebe edi for stress adwumubre eno so eyi edi for eboa nso ma mogya mu edi umu afrisanye obu a otanse kakra na nsa akere na so no yura dampare oni mebi ananse krawo na wama najuma aye ni nyar melaka bati no unya binuma eno so ebeboa we no banuma ofa piota sachet no baako chemutu fafa fasiga so ehura na de isa melaka bati no 3 me na kan tea leaf no 3 odi agum simabi isa kwa no muntem ebedi na afin so odi a 3 a odididi no odi awoka ka guso ebi na de som na ese ni no onso no wanom first secret ana milk bia emfangu melaka about ni opinto eno so ti eboa ema immune system no nipadua no etumi agina na nanso wo braba unya opinto no benuma ebeyi enso no ede afiri wo fi ewo moja ma umfa wani hu udi wani hu kra na untumi nyi moja na enworo hata enyi fini mfemfi wo nti opinto no so aba eba beyi fi bia wo moja mu no ede afiri wo ede ama eboa okuma wa sa na umrebo mo bam enso no ede fi yare ho malaria typhoid jaundice unya opinto about here eno so beboa na etu ase ede afiro opinto formula no obanuma tie yewomni piota sachet nsa na meka no fa ba kwa chemtu fafa first jaso nsunu hura ese ode opinto about no tea leaf no ene na asama tea leaf ode abiesa agum sima abiesa kwa num ntem bobo na afin so anwade mbra channel so milk asikiri emfabi emfanto opinto minta miamedim eboa ema ene no cholesterol srade adol ni pegdia no wa cheko obu a wa cheko na meyere de ogbo me nkwampa ohwe miye mikunu hwe chop money na mama ya fine obu a srade ana adol ni pegdia no nti yare unya fresh man zero obi adwuma na miye minta about no ebeyi ede for diabetes ana afin so blood pressure ejini nyina enso no ede fi so ana so ba no ma formula no nim de dawo ana so fa piota sachet no chemutu fa first jaso ehuru pe that's odi opinto ana minta about no odi abiesa agum edia abijam paint o se edia bebem na afin so abobo na anwoden aba kwa isi Christian Bar Clinic yo eisa kofodia sun kwantempo no so ho ha ana ewo enuru pe bia to kofodia ade saba shop kofodia taxi rank sanso na kofodia zongo Jome Bar shop ewo ho area mama all nations traffic light no udu abom se area mama ewo ho bowrem na wasanka kwa isi Christian Bar Clinic in Ruby. Zoom, Matisco Drugstore, Zoom T Junction, Open Side Drugstore, and so Zoom, Odan Kennedy Drugstore, and Nachumasi Drugstore, Precious Chemical Shop, Begro, Mami Dede Drugstore, Okwa, Obenyabi, Samson, Equipment Mampon, First Nedu Drugstore, Eben GCB, Ekopona Equipment, Major Pharmacy, Urema, say Ike, Major 1, it was AK, Sequoia, Kistan Bar Clinic in Runo, Mimbejebi, Wamawa, now Jack Atokantano Suboko, that's a Wada, that be be come a friend, 0244. 413-247 0244-413-247 and 0248-152-323 0248-152-323 Kwesi Christian Bar Clinic osi eba beso yare ano enso no ede amao Adum live band Blaster be say e be twi soloku eni beje sort ya say it's Adum live band and e be twi soloku no ene isa oye wedding oye party ana eyi bi na ye na hia live band a nya no Adum live band occasion bi a oye bia no fresh so baby girl no be di birthday party bi asa o sala kofa live band kwa asana emi ana wo pe live band pa they say baby girl be di birthday ya beto party
ne wife and down for no bounce say
yes live band
fresh you can kofa live band
then you know Adum live band it's a no say yeah you wedding party bi a program bi a na here live band no Adum live band you akropona kwapem Friends 0242 267 538 0242 267 538. One and also you yede Okoman Global Sports no and so bro no ko RBC yambo acha baba ya beto JP yako quick one ne yanko
me ya ze won apam House of Fuku
samo board achina be wuram
ohwe ga ebia ono so contribute no kasa do but then me hwe say House of Folk brand na perform bebre no na one standard coach one coach na we won call friend then Atukwefiu okay ono normal your consistency some normally you from one manager now when you back to back performance ohwe players send ya wotu ya wonka send ye treat one ni nyina affect morale House of Folk camp and na ye nyina ye tiwe yet ne e koso House of Folk camp it is a performance na very bad in the beginning of the season na me yes you say fair say wodi ni nyina be hye Samuel Boadu kon aya manage homegrown product ho nti even bro na ne brofo no nka papa but then you could see obi anani abrese or person ye bibi anya by force and go person eso kabrofo no he could have chosen to speak tree and go be answer to me yan hwe but obi a person ye bibi even though from baby ofino I say there enye too encourage but unze nani abrese or person ye bibi or person look like the Mourinho the biggest coaches out there into nenu sha me out say such a good game
8 league matches since last season oh boy after match week 4 match week 30 we need game behind
once you can say so to camp at then coach dey all the strategy ni ba ma coach ni bibi o hia na efe ni performance ni nko ya we wait ma blame coach
ocha ba wurem ba first ebren ko ocha ba wurem na ye di nko ocha
Samuel Boadu angasa ono so na so odin dodo nti
obo kotokodo
na so odin o san ko je fans ade igbo iwa mo papa bi asabe
welcome fresh yanko bare yanko happy birthday confirm Jacqueline Anane Jackie ene birthday nti Jacqueline Anane happy birthday kese enko emfama onyankopon show no he kese ontre washim no shira wonu wabusia papa onyu mfiri adomu emfanko adomu na afinso when you see adomu nyina no onye emfama Jacqueline Anane happy birthday and confirm executive producer Ira Kofi Anton ba for sound so papa fresh oteneka John Peter Nyako and so oteneka Adu Nyako fantastic sound so nana Kofi Okorajiman producer extraordinaire DJ Donze DJ Zigby John Mark nyina boy ama Jumadi no eko so edin no Kelvin Amponsah Addi ofrem making so a beje so nyame bo china ebeba na afinso abeto so and 6 p.m. the Black Stars of Ghana against Nicaragua. Yon shom all the best of luck.
Rebel liberation.